Good morning, y'all. We're going to go down here and try to work on these feeders, try to keep the squirrels out. I hope we got what we need to do it. Got brand new bases. Got what tools I think we're going to need. Got my little buddy there. He's going to go with us. He said he was ready to go. I'll bring you back when I get to the woods, or I get to the feeder. Lost my hound. He was hunting me and I was hunting him. All right, we'll move on. He used to ask me want to ride because he won't. Just top off of it. Corn in it. Hey, truth. Actually, that ain't real bad. Been eat on some, but ain't been eat on terrible. I'm probably just gonna take these off and change these and put them new ones on and leave that base. It's not bad. I'm probably gonna have to take it all the way off. It'll be hard to get them loose. Can't get them loose. Nope. Gonna be able to get them without an Allen wrench. Know if I can get an Allen wrench on them. I know I ain't got no Allen wrenches. All right, y'all. We've hit a snag. Bolts that hold these on is like that right there. And over the time, they've got like welded in there, and that little plastic piece just breaks right off. And ain't no way to get it out. I mean, I'll probably get it out, but I can't get it out here. Let's see if I can show you. See it? It looks like an Allen, but there's not no place for an Allen to go. And it's supposed to look like that back one. So what I'm gonna do is, this base ain't bad. I'm just gonna try to put the screens in up here and then put it back up. I got that screen in. So that's what I'm gonna be working on. When I get them in, I'll bring you back. I might, yeah, I'll bring you back. All right, this turned out to be a whole lot worse ordeal than I had figured on. But you can see I got it in there. So I'm just gonna line my drill up with it. It looks pretty good. And I'll move over here. Hard to do anything and hold this too. Move over there and line that nut best I can. Just drill the holes. All right, I got them in there. That ain't gonna come out. Got all four of them in without taking the things off. I'm not sure about the other ones, but that there looks pretty good to me. What I'm gonna do is take this Gorilla Glue and drop it in the holes that are drilled. And that's gonna be hit, and I'll go put it back on. Get in here and get my little buddy a drink of water. He probably needing a drink. Yep. Yeah, he needed him a little drink of water. always carry water. You take your dog, would you? All right, we're gonna try to get it back on. See the squirrels just eat the lid out. Unbelievable. I don't know if they're ever gonna. I don't know if we get them stopped or not. Don't look much like it. Yeah, don't look much like it. I didn't realize they'd eat the tops of them too. They probably eat that from the outside. Probably didn't eat it from the inside. All right, I'm gonna put about a half a bag of corn in it. You can see the corn falls down through that fox wire. So that's good. That part of it works good. See, it just keeps coming as you. So that works part works good. I don't know about that. Keep having to buy stuff, just well buy a whole new feeder. And these things ain't cheap, but they should hold up better than they do. Daggum. This just keeps getting better and better. I can't even get through. I ain't got no saw with me. Yeah, maybe I'll walk down there and take it apart. Lovely. This is what I was telling you. See, I run screws through that. I thought that might stop them, but it didn't. So we're going to try this other way. All right, we got her done. Corn's falling right through. Brand new base. See how long it'll last. I'll come back in about a week or so and check it and see if they've got up in it or not. If that trail hadn't been blocked, it'd been a whole lot easier on me. Had to carry all that stuff and walk, and walking ain't my forte. Don't care nothing about it much. When I come back, I'll bring a saw, clear that out. All right, I'm back at home, out in the building. Door slam out. My little buddy Hound went straight to bed. He said he is tired of this crap. Me and him both getting too old to be romping around through the woods. All right, I appreciate y'all watching my video. I'll see you.